Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 10 August 2018, 18 of hour, 38 of minute and 19 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what can I add to chicken noodle soup for flavor? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what can I add to chicken noodle soup for flavor. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what can I add to chicken noodle soup for flavor. Stir parsley, basil, black pepper, garlic powder, salt, celery and onions into the soup for an Italian-style kick. Combine black pepper, cayenne pepper, thyme, onions, celery and carrots to create a Cajun-style soup. Add potatoes, rosemary, kidney beans and salt to the soup for a hearty taste. Last update October 3, 2017. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.